In this video, we'll show you how to download Facebook videos without installing any apps. The first thing we need to do is open Facebook on our phone and find the video we want to save. Once we've found it, we'll tap the three dots next to the video and select the copy link option. Now we'll open our phone's browser and go to a website that allows us to download Facebook videos. We won't need to install any additional apps. We'll simply use the link we just copied. Once we're on the website, we'll paste the video link into the corresponding field and tap Download. Depending on the website we use, we may see different quality or format options. We'll select the option we prefer and wait a few seconds while the video is processed. As you can see, downloading Facebook videos to your phone without installing any apps is a very simple process and only takes a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.